Now you can see in previous video when we have opened our program into Google Chrome. In this program, our program is showing unidentified like this. After that, if we want to resolve this problem, for that we have to click here. After that, we will go in inspect. After clicking on inspect, and then we will see here element, console and source. These all things we can show. And here is the option to activate breakpoint, and if you want to remove this, we can do like this. If we will use any breakpoint, if we have used a breakpoint here, it means our program will not run from there. Now we will go into the code. Now we have to open this file again. After opening this file, here we will see few problems where from we are getting an error. Now we are trying to resolve that. As in the example I told to you, console.log, this is the command to print. As we are seeing, but that error could not be resolved now. But in this we can see here it is showing 8 and debugging is error. Now in the source code we can see where is the problem is being. as it is showing in average, here is here it is showing error. Okay, now you can see every problems and every error has been resolved with the help of, because of in our program here we did not put here E. So in our program we are getting error and error, and you can see here before of that it was showing only 8, but now it is showing 4 also. Now you can see here this is the 4. So as we can see, we have resolved this problem. Thank you.